That lecture was intense. I've never taken so many notes in my life.
I know, right? But at least it's behind us now. Time to unwind a little.
For sure. But my hand is cramping. How do you stay so calm after class?
It's just practice. I focus on key points instead of writing everything down.
I can't help but feel like I'll miss something crucial if I don't jot it all down.
Finding balance is key. Prioritizing important information can really help.
You sound like a professor. Are you joining the study group for the next assignment?
Absolutely. It's a great way to stay aligned with the coursework, and there are usually snacks involved.
Snacks do make everything better. Have you checked out the campus art exhibit in the library?
Yeah, I went through it yesterday. The recycled material sculptures are incredible.
I haven't seen them yet, but I love how creative people can be. It's truly inspiring.
Absolutely. Speaking of creativity, are you still working on that painting project?
Yep, slowly but surely. I'm aiming to finish it by the end of the semester.
Exciting! I can't wait to see it. Want to grab some coffee before the next class?
Yes, let's do it.